Disconnection with your feet. Extend out with your legs. Get your grip.
Yes.
There's that step over one.
Yeah, behind the knee. We're going looking for that separation. Good. Yep.
Welcome to the Aoki and straight ankle lock curriculum. We're going to be going over the finishes of an ankle lock and an Aoki lock and the different types of gripping on our ankle. Going to be going over what we need to be doing with our legs when we have the correct gripping on the upper leg. From there, we'll understand how to retain our positions, outside position, inside position, and belly down. Once we've understand the retention of the leg, we'll be going into understanding entries of the leg. And we'll be going into different types of guards to enter the leg and finishing. So I hope you enjoy.